Another video from Jay Hunto's garage, specifically regarding the never-ending project car, being the 97 Camaro 3.8 liter V6 RS. Anyway, I'm not going to show you all the steps I went through to do what I'm about to do, which is change a coil, but I'll tell you about it. I was getting a misfire on the number 3 cylinder. It's kind of intermittent, so I took my timing light, which you don't use anymore on modern cars, hooked it up, and this is the business end of it. This goes over the spark plug wire, which is down there, and basically you hook the leads to the battery, positive, negative, and then this goes on the wire you want to test, and then you pull the trigger here, and that makes the light come on here for all you young people, and it flashes as the spark goes by. The spark gets picked up here through the spark plug wire, so it flashes when the spark plug is supposed to be flashing. So I was getting a real intermittent flashing or sparking, whatever, on number 3 cylinder, and it was causing the service engine soon light to flash on and off and at high RPMs. So I had another coil, so I changed out the coil with another one I had here in the garage, and that one, though, it has 2 different wires on it for 2 different cylinders. On the original one, this goes to I think it's cylinder number 3, and this one was intermittent, so I changed it out, and the one I put in there, this one was completely dead. So it didn't help things at all, but it did show me that this one was getting a great signal with this coil, just this side of it was dead. So today I went and bought a new coil. Don't ask me where I put it, or else I'd show it to you. Anyway, I bought a new coil. Let's see if I left it in this car. You guys know the Suburban. Yeah, I had to go in and get the keys. Take you around here with me. Another thing on the Suburban, the door back there, I just replaced that lock cylinder, the solenoid, with a brand new one, and guess what? It's a week later roughly and it doesn't work again. That's the joys of working on your own cars. Anyway, so I got a new coil. This is an ignition coil. Got this at O'Reilly. I'm sorry, that's not the coil. That is a solenoid for this thing. Starter solenoid, which went out, or got really intermittent on me today. Anyway, back to the ongoing project car. Maybe I'll do a video changing out that solenoid later. Anyway, that's the new one. I'm gonna put it in today. It's very easy, I will tell you that. What's kind of bums me out is this has got 3 different coils on it. There they are. 3 coils. One of them's taken out, obviously. So the center one's out. That's just more parts to buy. This is the new one. It comes with a little rubber gasket, goes underneath of it to isolate the connectors, which is right there. So I'll put that in and hopefully it'll take care of it. If it doesn't, I'll let you know. That should solve this problem of the check engine light on my previous video. Thanks. Have a great day.